JDCap 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And I'm going to show you a few things on this Walther PPK M. So we're going to take the magazine out with the magazine button right there. Pull it out, and we're going to slide the bottom piece down. And on the bottom piece, you'll see an Allen screw, okay? Right there. And you want to take this clip off on the back. You pop it off right there. It pops off like this. And there it is. You put it in the magazine. I'm sorry, this is going to be in slow motion, so bear with me. And you put it in there like that. And you twist it counterclockwise to loosen the CO2 cartridge. You might want to shoot the gun down to get the pressure out of it, and it'll loosen, and some CO2 will come out. Be careful. You should wear a glove when you handle CO2. So if any comes out, you could get skin freeze from it. So be careful. And we're loosening it here in slow motion, and eventually we're going to pull that CO2 out. Again, I apologize for the slow motion part here. Somehow it happened, but you'll see it. And there we go. We just loosened the CO2. And pop that cylinder out. And I have to unscrew it a little bit more to pop it out. And there we go. The old cylinder comes out. You want to screw that a little in when you put the new one back in. You're going to go clockwise. Screw it in with a tool. And we're going to take the new cylinder, which is a Crossman, and we're going to put the pellet oil. It's a silicone oil, 100%. I'm going to put a drop of that on the top of the, and there it is, on top of the cylinder. Again, I didn't mean for this to be in slow motion, but maybe it's to your benefit to watch it this way. So put a drop on the top of the nose of that CO2 cartridge. There it is, a drop. A little bit more we're going to put. I'm going to show you the silicone right now, top of the cartridge. And we're going to insert that into the magazine of the PPM Q2, like that. And then we're going to take the tool, insert it in the Allen screw right there in the bottom, and tighten it clockwise. Nice and tight. and that final turn to really seat it down. Okay. Some of this can be beneficial. Some people go too fast when they're doing videos, and you can't get the whole idea of how to do things. So this may be beneficial to some people in slow motion. It's all seated down now. And then you close the bottom thing, cover, slide it off to the right. And then we're going to show you the belt system. And what I usually do is I will, push that door to the left to load pellets in there. And that's how you load the pellets, right in there. You can do 2 at a time. I'm trying to show you that door, how it goes back and forth. Like that. See, there's 2 at a time. You can load 177 caliber pellets. And turn the belt there with my fingers, and usually you want to turn it on the right side of the magazine with like your index finger. And I'm showing you the top of the belt, and I'm going to show you in a minute a little notch. See this little notch here, right here? Right there. That's the top where the belt is lined up, the pellet's lined up with the barrel. Okay. So that, I lubricate that with pen oil. I lubricate the belt a little bit. So I'm going to take the pen oil and just put a little drop inside that notch there where the belt is. And that'll help the belt move freely more when you pull the trigger. So that's all lubricated. And we're going to move the belt and rotate the belt so that silicone works into the area of the belt there. And move the belt a little bit here. There we go, with the index finger on the right of the belt, and you move it down. So you're moving the belt clockwise. We're looking at the back of the magazine right now. Where my thumb is, my left thumb is, that's the back of the magazine. The front of the magazine is where my right index finger is. Okay. Thank you if you get through this video, and your patience. I appreciate it. So we're going to put the back of the back strap back on the PPMQ. And you put it in there like that with the Allen screw to the top, and then you snap it in from the bottom. like so. Okay, so it's back and it's firmly in there. It's not going to pop out. And then I'm going to put the hopefully the magazine back in. Turn it around. That's the front of the magazine. And it goes in like that, and you just push it in there firmly. Putting it on safe now. Okay. And actually, I put it up. I put it in fire mode. You see the red dot. That means fire. When you push it down, it's in safe mode. See the red dot there? That's in fire mode right there. Okay. When you want to store it, I suggest putting that lever down. So you put the lever down. It's in safe, and you can't pull the trigger. Okay. And I just want to cap off that pellet oil. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I don't think so after this video. You'll probably be yelling at me. And it has very good sights. And I'm going to show you a target afterwards, what it looks like. It's got about a 3.5 inch barrel. And it's a rifle barrel. I'm showing you the barrel length from where it opens up. Also, it opens up with the slide lever, and you push the slide lever up, and it'll stay open. It does not open at the last shot, so don't expect that. But that's the length of the barrel, about 3.5 inches. Very accurate. The sights are very good. On the sights, you can adjust the sights, and from left to right there, and you don't have to. I took it out of the box. I really didn't have to adjust them at all. It's a good gun. Really good gun. I'm going to show you a target afterwards at 25 yards. And it's unsafe. I'm showing you it's unsafe. So, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.